Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to filter add friends of stranger on Discord for Android. And for that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. The first one that you want to must do is you can click the Discord application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Discord, and after that, for the next step, there is a have a tree option in the below that you can see. There is have a tree option, and you can click for the right of the corner. And then let's go to the privacy and safety. Okay, for the next step, for you how to filter add friends for the stranger, you can click the everyone is. You also to slide until has the gray one. Okay, and also it's mean for friend of friends too, and also about the server members. Okay, and it's mean the friend or the stranger cannot invite you on your Discord. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, I think it's enough to how to filter add friends of stranger on Discord for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.